Hey everybody, I am Jimmy2 from Jimmy2 Tech. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy during this social distancing. I know it has given me a lot of time to be thinking of some videos to make, which I'm bringing you a new series, 3D printing. I have a Ender 3 printer. Price-wise, this thing isn't going to cost you too much, so if you're looking for a new hobby that is pretty cool and versatile, I mean, if you actually need to print some practical things, you can, or if you're into action figures or anything of that nature, you could be creating your own, which is awesome if you ask me. So today we're going to be making a toothpaste squeezer, so you guys let me know if this has ever happened to you. Life would be a lot more simpler if it was a little bit like this. So this is just a quick rundown of the printer for you guys. Everything you're seeing here that is blue is made by the printer. So you can make so many more attachments for your actual 3D printer. So to give you guys an idea, you have your filament, which comes right on a roll, goes right into here in the extruder. The nozzle on this, whoa, let me move the camera out of the way. The nozzle on here underneath, you can't fully see it with the angle we're at, but gets to anywhere between like 200, 220 degrees Celsius, heats that up, pushes the filament right out onto the bed. The bed stays around 60 degrees Celsius because I'm using PLA. There's a whole bunch of different kinds of filament you can be using depending on your application. Then it puts it right on there. This will go back and forth. This goes left and right, and it prints. So, as I said, if you guys are interested, I can give you a better breakdown of 3D printing, how to do it, some settings, the programming in your computer. Just let me know if you're interested. So right off the printer, it comes in 3 little pieces when it was finished. There's a cap, the shaft, and then the holder. I didn't have to really clean any of this up. Sometimes when you do 3D prints, you'll have little pieces, or some stuff isn't fully the right size, because keep in mind you're just using filament. I mean, it can get perfect most of the time, but some prints you'll have a little bit of fluctuation. But this one turns out pretty good. So with the 3 pieces for this, all I'm going to do is push this through this hole. Good, just like that. And then I get it right through the bottom. There we go. So that's in there, so this can actually fall in. And then I'm just going to put this cap on here. When printing this, if the cap wasn't going to stick properly, I would just put like a dab of super glue right in there. So now squeeze the cap on. Careful not to squeeze too hard, because I mean, it's plastic, it can break depending on your infill density. I think this was 15% infill, so it's not as rigid as it could be, but the higher the infill density, the longer the print. So now that this is complete, it's as simple as putting your toothpaste right in there, twisting it around, and then when you're ready, this one has the locking mechanism, so you can actually lock it into place so it can't spin. Well, that sums up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the time lapse. I think this project took roughly close to 3 hours, so if it looks like it's going quick, that's probably why it's a lot of pictures. So if you guys are interested in seeing more of a how-to 3D print, or maybe a better breakdown of the printer I have here, or a price breakdown, please just drop it right in the comments below. I answer all comments. I will put links to almost everything I use in the description. I have to locate them because I did buy this printer quite a while ago, so it might take some digging. But if you guys are interested, I'm more than happy to help you out and dig up those prices, links, and all that good stuff you need. As always, please hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the like button. And as I said, if you have any comments, drop them below. I'll get to them. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, do a little bit of everything.